Let's say that you are in tier Let's say that you are in tier 1 of business credit. You have already established your NAV account. You've already gotten some tier 1 trade lines and start paying on them 14 to 20 days. After NAV has found your business and you found your business credit reports, you need to go check them to ensure that they are accurate. Okay? Because a lot of the times when you go check their report via NAV, it's not right. They have a big chunk of information that's missing from your business, and you don't want that. You want Experian, especially Experian, because they're very important to have all of your information, okay, and accurate. That way, you won't have a problem with the vendors or the creditors finding your business to connect that credit account with Experian so Experian can report it to NAV. Okay, I know that was a lot, but just make sure it's right, guys. So the first thing that you want to do, of course, is send an email to businessdisputes@experian.com and just let them know, like, hey, this is all of, they're going to give you a BIN number. That's your identification number, how they identify your business through Experian Business. But just let them know, hey, all of this information is missing on my credit file, and I need you guys to update it. See, update this as soon as possible because it's interfering with my business to keep moving forward. Okay, so what you're gonna do is wait about maybe 3 to 5 business days for them to give you a response. And they're going to tell you, hey, they always say this, we got an influx of cases. So in the meantime, how about you update your business information through this website? So you're going to click this website, scroll down here. Now you can always get a business credit report. This is usually how creditors and lenders, one way they can get your business credit report is by going to other company and searching for you. And I just want to show y'all something real quick. This is why I tell you guys to make sure that you're not naming your business after something else. This is why I tell you guys to go to your Secretary of State where you're going to register the business to ensure that nobody else has your name. This is why. You see how many people are so close to my name? We got Collective Consulting, we got TCC Collective Company, and all of these people are in Mississippi, just like me. Okay, and they've done this to me. Experian Business has mixed my business up with another business that had a similar name to mine on my first business that I incorporated. Okay, that's why I tell you guys this. But this is me right here, so I know I can move forward, right? We're good to go. But you're not going to click this. This is just for a report. You're going to have to pay for this. So don't do that option. You want to go over here just to update your business credit report and just make sure that you have the correct information on file. So we're going to select update report, and then you're just going to go through here and put your company's name. And I want to make sure I put it all right. Exactly how it is on the Secretary of State's website. And it's Brookhaven, Mississippi 39601. And we're gonna search. Oh, I didn't, okay. I missed that little part. Mississippi, search. All right, so you're just updating your company information right here, okay? I'm gonna go in here and put in all of my information and double check, make sure it's correct. This is definitely my phone number. I'm just gonna put some dashes. I always try to avoid giving your SSN if you possibly can. I'm gonna see if they'll let me continue without putting it in there. Okay, see, they're wanting me to identify my personal information first. Step 1. I'm gonna see if they're gonna let me do it without if they're gonna allow me to leave that blank. No, I do not want none of that. Okay, so they're not gonna let me do it. I always try. Trust me and believe. Only business owners or principals may submit a data update request to Experian. I'm not going to put my personal information right here, guys. I'm just going to keep moving forward, okay? I was born within a year of... Okay, so for the purpose of recording this video, I just kind of wanted to guide you through the process. You would just go through all of the prompts to verify your information. I'm not going to do that on camera. We're on step 2. Once you get to step 3, you're going to complete that step and then hit submit, and then you're going to wait on them to update your company's information. If you don't hear back from them within like the next 7 days, like the next 5 business days, then you need to call Experian Business to give them your BIN number to say, hey, I'm trying to get my company information updated. Can I get an update on that? All right. See you guys later.